The Green Dome Science Facility, or the Green Zone, is a newly acquired addition to the corporation. Unique in its own way, it's not like the megacities. They supposedly govern their cells. I'm curious how the reaction will be to corporation's hostile takeover.
Sir,
So far, there has been no problem.
Your exploits are legendary, sir.
Yes, I'm everywhere.
She was a net journalist covering a story on the polluted waterways from a corporation from the megacity, telling about how the runoff was destroying the land.
Well, I guess they sent you in to take care of this. I think something got in here. Something terrible got in here. Possibly something from corporation by the looks of it. Look at the tears.
There's hardly enough left of this victim to put in a body bag.
I am so pleased to share this day with you. It is so nice being your personal computer.
PC, you're the best. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, there is a freaky monster about to attack you. Holy sweet mother of God, what in the freaking hell is that thing? Leave her alone, you piece of fecal matter.